Hey everybody, it's Mr. S here. I'm recording a video for you guys because I'm not going to be here Thursday afternoon, Friday, or Monday. So I'm trying to make this as smooth as possible for everybody. I'm just being me to try and help you guys. So things that you're going to do this week when I'm not here. I'll be here Thursday morning, tomorrow morning for Core 1. I'm leaving at 11 for half a day. So cores 2, 3, and 4, my class before lunch, my class after lunch, and my class at the end of the day. You guys are going to be in charge of working on that geometric transformation IXL and the project. For those of you that don't remember where that is, it's right here on Schoology. It says 5/5/22 because I'm not going to be here. That's what you should do on 5/5. Geometric transformation project. You click on that folder and it takes you right to the IXL and to where you turn in that project. Some of you already have in each class. That's fine. That's cool. Again, as long as you're doing all four and showing me all four geometric transformations and labeling them correctly, you're good to go. So you should take a picture of that and submit it right here. And then the IXL is there for you to do. Both are required for your grade. So that's it. That's that folder. Then on Friday, for everybody, because I'm not going to be here at all Friday, homeroom kids, you guys are going to be reading the book that we have, the New Kid book. But then for all of my math classes, so my class before specials, my class in between specials and lunch, class after lunch, end of the day, all you guys are doing the same thing. You're going to work on that geometric transformation project and the IXL, but then you're going to do the linear and nonlinear IXL and project that I'm introducing today to my last three classes and tomorrow morning to my first class. Then, and that is found in this folder where it says 5/6/22 linear and nonlinear dream job project. In this folder, you're going to have the IXL to do, and then this is where you, I'll put the grade in for your project. Please don't take a picture of all 7 or 8 pages of the project. I will only need to see the last page or the first and last page, okay? And I'll explain that in class. These 3 links right here are for one of the steps in that project, which I'll explain in class to you, and I'll post a video in here to explain the project a little further. And then finally, on Monday, I'm giving you guys enough to work on. Cores 2, 3, and 4, you guys are be the only ones that will have my class on Monday because the science PSSAs are on Monday, and you shouldn't really have, it shouldn't take you guys that long, but cores 2, 3, and 4, you're going to finish the IXLs for the 2 projects. You're going to finish those projects. Some of you might do that real fast. Some of you might take 3 days to do it. Well, on the day I come back, we're going to just kind of reconnect and kind of go back and look at all this stuff just to make sure we're all cool. However, if you are done with the geometric transformation IXL and project from Thursday, and you're done with the linear and nonlinear IXL and project from Friday, on Monday, then you can just take your time and chill and work on, and I'll open this folder here in a little bit, but you're going to work on an end-of-year type 3, which I have posted here. But I'm also going to have a handout. You'll just need a piece of lined paper, and you're just telling me your favorite topic that we talked about this year, your least favorite topic that we talked about this year, and the most difficult topic that we talked about this year, and you got to tell me why. Don't just say it's hard or whatever. Tell me why you found it difficult. Was it because of the steps were too confusing or what? Okay? So if you guys have any message or any questions, I'm not going to have my computer around very often or anything like that. So you can shoot me a message on Schoology, or we'll figure it out, and just do your best on the project and we'll figure it out before you turn it in for a grade. Alright guys?